definitely wasn't an isolated incident. Remember, several reporters along the borders who've been trying to cover the farmers' agitation have also been attacked, including those from India Today who've been targeted by the section of the farmers. Some rogue elements, whether they are farmers or just infiltrators, it's still unclear. But this is indeed bringing bad name to the protest. We're definitely not trying to discredit the protest here, the farmers' agitation, as much as the media people are there to cover it with respect. It doesn't seem like those there at the spot are receiving the same treatment. Here's what happened with several reporters being attacked along the border areas.
It's an agitation that has already etched itself in history. Whatever their stand on farm laws, but most of India's heart has bled in empathy for our farmers in protest for over 45 days. An indefinite protest by lakhs and lakhs, squatting at the capital's borders, knocking repeatedly on Delhi's door, demanding complete rollback of farm laws. These protests saw our Annadatas' altruism at supreme levels, the sense of community, of solidarity. Many from all walks of life joined in to express brotherhood with our farmers who brave intense cold with minimal gear. But like in every large crowd, there is a risk of mob mentality. What's disheartening is that few under the garb of protest hidden behind large crowds have turned on the media to harass journalists, sometimes even sexually. India Today reporters have been covering the farmer protests since day one and have had enough instances to record this depravity. In this instance, our reporter was surrounded by this mob, intimidated just for doing her job. In this instance, our reporter during a live bulletin was harassed by an angry mob. Male reporters have been target of inexplicable violence. In this instance, our reporter Maushami was surrounded by a flurry of protesters. Overwhelmed with the surging crowds, she pleaded with the farmers, and there was more good than bad that day, as a sizable group made a ring around her, escorting her to their vehicle. Proving the fact that not all protesters are guilty, as some came to her rescue.
कभी-कभी हम इस तरह की सिचुएशन में भी फंसते हैं जब हम लोग सिंगू बॉर्डर से टीकरी जा रहे थे तो यहाँ पे तमाम किसानों ने हम लोग को घिराव कर लिया। ये संजीव है हमारे कैमरा पर्सन और यहाँ पे अभी हम लोग बाहर निकलने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं। यहाँ पे आप देखिए कुछ इस तरह की तस्वीर है जहाँ पे चारों तरफ ट्रैक्टर हैं। बहुत लोगों ने हम लोग की मदद की है ताकि हम लोग बाहर निकल सकें और एक तरफ हम लोग का पूरी तरह से घिराव हो गया था। लगातार कुछ मिसकम्युनिकेशन और जिस तरह से प्रचार चल रहा है उसको लेके कई बारी मीडिया को निशाना बनाया जाता है। हालांकि हम लोग डे 1 से कवरेज कर रहे हैं पर यहाँ पे जिस तरह से हम लोग को पूरा घिराव हो गया था उसके बाद बड़ी मुश्किल से इन लोगों ने ये लोग हैं ये है जिन्होंने मदद करके यहाँ से बाहर निकाला है।
One of our female colleagues, whose name we won't disclose, was subject to physical groping. We have since lodged a police complaint. Violence, anger, and sometimes sexual assault are the unfortunate hallmarks of any massive crowd, and here there are lacks. This is not to discredit the farm agitation, but the farmers would be doing themselves the biggest disservice by letting a sizable chunk of depraves to continue to attack the media. Bureau Report, India Today.